after the short break, we're back here now in the fish pond, just inside by, underwater world of Singapore. And now, me and my wife gonna do it just for the first time. I think it's fun. Alright, we'll back to you later. Hi, I'm back. Now, before we go to proceed the fish pond, we need to clean our feet first.
Okay.
Procedure. Alright, I'll explain to you later. What's next? Oh my god, it feels weird though. Hi everyone. I'm doing a fish pond now, and it feels really weird.
Okay.
Oh, come on. Alright. Look at the fishes. How they like my feet. Alright.
Bait ako ng feet.
Hindi silang babay, Josh. Hindi. Ganito yan. Sige na, tiisin mo lang. Nakikiliti ako, matiis ko lang. Tiis mo lang. After a while naman, masanay ka na rin. Sige na, wala. Pag nakikiliti ka, igalaw-galaw mo lang, aalis sila.
Siyempre. Hindi, pinipicture mo ako.
Pinicture na kita.
Kasama yung mga fish.